welcome, welcome. We are now taking our surprise through the hills. Just had a cup of coffee and a Danish in Lobethal.
Even though we're in Balhanna, it was the Lobethal Bakery, which we could not pass.
Um,
Find the service station and take Indy to the dog park.
just go girl, again, really?
Doggy heaven and humans happy. We're outside in the fresh air and she's safe. Oh my goodness. What did you give her? Big old tree. Imagine this in the summer. It'd be fantastic. Wow. Come on in.
So, not bad for a doggy park. Videos of Indy running around on that dog park.
That's fantastic.
So all those that got dogs, eat your heart out for this area.
Yeah, it's so big.
Must be about 10. What did that woman say?
10 acres or
10
something.
acres.
Yeah,
of,
and a creek, the Onkaparinga River running through. Big old oak trees. It'll be spectacular later in the year. But we're all rugged up and warm and cuddly.
It's currently 9 degrees at the moment. Stunning bridge.
Yeah.
Absolutely stunning. So the difference is though that this 4x4 is so wide in comparison to everybody else's.
In 600 meters, slight right onto Kenton Valley Road.
That you are literally on the edge on the one side, and I'm nearly touching the white lines on the other. Everybody was complaining or saying that the suspension was quite hard. What do you think?
Feels great.
There you go. First trip out, we went to a toy shop. apologise that we haven't been able to post as much as we wanted to. And here's the reason. So we've literally gone rogue for quite a few months, and we bought a Rogue. So we have now decided to go for 4x4ing as well. So we've got Barney still over there. Don't know if you can see it. And then we've got the Toyota 4x4 Rogue, 2024 model, 48 volts. And we're going to kit her out so that we can do some 4x4ing, and we want you guys to drop in some comments and tell us what you think we should be doing, as we will be getting a bull bar, we will be getting a canopy, and we'll be kitting it out as a complete tourer. So thank you ever so much for watching, and stay tuned. Obviously this is going to take a little bit of time to be able to build, but bear with us, and over a certain time I will give you some reviews of what I think of this 4x4, and so far I'm pretty happy. There will be people that will turn around and say, oh, you should have bought an SR5, or you should have done this, but we wanted to stay with Toyota. This is our first 4x4 that we've purchased, and we're very happy so far. Plenty of power, we're enjoying it. So like and subscribe and watch us build this beast into a massive, unbelievable 4x4 touring, off-road, amazing, and any other thing that you can think of, off-road fun. So cheers guys.